The term act of God is a legal and insurance industry phrase used to describe events or circumstances that are beyond human control and are typically unforeseeable. It serves as a way to attribute responsibility for damages or losses resulting from natural disasters or other catastrophic events that cannot be reasonably prevented or anticipated. The concept of an act of God is deeply rooted in legal and contractual contexts, particularly in insurance contracts and liability law. When included in an insurance policy, the term refers to events like earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, tornadoes, wildfires, and other natural disasters that are considered acts of nature beyond human influence. In essence, labeling an event as an act of God relieves individuals or entities from legal liability for the consequences of such events. Insurance companies often use this term to clarify that they do not provide coverage for damages caused by these uncontrollable forces of nature. Instead, policyholders are expected to bear the financial burden of losses resulting from these events, unless they have purchased specific additional coverage for such situations. The use of the term act of God raises complex questions regarding determinism, free will, and human responsibility. It underscores the idea that there are events and circumstances in the world that are entirely beyond human control or influence. These events are often characterized by their suddenness and unpredictability, making it impossible for individuals or organizations to take precautionary measures. While act of God is a legal term, it also carries cultural and philosophical implications. It prompts discussions about the fragility of human existence and the limitations of human agency in the face of natural forces. People have grappled with the idea of divine intervention or cosmic forces shaping their lives for centuries, and the term act of God reflects this enduring aspect of human thought. In a broader sense, the phrase can extend beyond the realm of insurance and legal contexts. It can be used colloquially to describe any event or circumstance that is so extraordinary and beyond human control that it seems to be the work of a higher power or fate. For example, if a person's car is struck by lightning during a freak thunderstorm, they might describe it as an act of God to emphasize the extreme and unexpected nature of the event. In conclusion, act of God is a legal and insurance industry term used to attribute responsibility for damages or losses resulting from unforeseeable and uncontrollable events, particularly natural disasters. It relieves individuals or entities from legal liability for these events and underscores the limits of human control in the face of unpredictable and overwhelming forces of nature. Beyond its legal context, the term also reflects broader philosophical and cultural discussions about the role of fate, divine intervention, and the unpredictability of life.